Hi, and welcome to eSpares, the channel that specialises in appliance repairs, where we help you to fix it yourself. I'm Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the belt on a Zanussi washer dryer. You'll know that there is a problem with the belt if you notice that the drum isn't rotating during a cycle, and you can also test this yourself by opening the door and turning the drum. If you don't hear any noise and you don't feel any resistance, it means that there is a problem with the belt and it could need replacing. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a socket set with a 7mm socket head. And of course, you may well need a new belt. And you can find a link to these in the description below. Safety first, always remember to switch off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the belt on this washer dryer, you need to remove the rear panel. So for this fix, we're going to have to pull the appliance out from underneath the countertop. With the machine out from underneath the countertop and turned round, here is the back panel that we need to remove. So grab your socket set and 7mm socket head and undo the 6 bolts that hold it in place. With the rear panel removed, here we can see the belt around the pulley at the back of the drum and the motor spindle at the bottom. Now, if your belt on your appliance is snapped, it may well be around the bottom of the washer dryer, so you have to take that out before refitting the belt, and I'll show you how to fit the belt in just a moment. But there are occasions where the belt simply slips off the pulley or the spindle, so you can need to refit it. Now I'll show you how to remove the belt, but as you can see, I've put on these safety gloves just to protect my hands so that I don't get pinched between the belt and the pulley or the belt and the spindle down here. To remove, simply turn the belt and very gently pull it towards you to get it off the motor spindle at the bottom. Like so. When searching for a new belt on the eSpares website, you're going to need the make and model number of your appliance. This will ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular machine. Now, if you're not sure where to find the make and model number on your appliance, don't worry. Check out our video here, which will tell you everything you need to know. To refit a belt or to fit your new belt, what you need to do is, again, wearing your safety gloves, get the tracked or ribbed side and put that around the motor spindle at the bottom, not too deep, and then you need to pull it tight and then work it around the pulley. So put it around the pulley as much as you can, and you'll find that there will be quite a lot of resistance, so do go very carefully when you put this on. So it's a good idea to hold it at 3 o'clock where the belt meets the pulley on the right hand side, and then as far round to the left as you can, and then keeping it nice and tight, just turn the pulley. And the belt should sit into place. Like so. You can then refit the rear panel to the back of the washer dryer before refitting the bolts. So there we have it, how to replace the belt on a Zanussi washer dryer. Now that your machine is up and running once again, why not ensure that you're getting the best results for the lowest possible cost? Check out our video here, Washing Machine Energy Saving Tips, that will give you advice on saving money, time and energy with your appliance. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things e-spares, money saving tips, repair guides, maintenance advice and much, much more. Thanks for watching.